welcome to another FTx webinar. I'm Kasera, your host for today. I'm a loyalty strategist here at FTx Solutions. This morning, I'll be telling you all about how to utilize FTx digital signage for your liquor store or beer distributor. FTx webinars are a weekly event and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we go over all aspects of the FTx software. You can preview and sign up for all upcoming webinars, as well as view all previous webinars by going to our website, FTx.com, and choosing FTx Lifeline at the top of the page. Then, scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by typing FTx.com/webinars into your browser. You can sign up ahead of time and watch it stream live, or you can watch any streamed or previously recorded webinar in our archive at your leisure. We here at FTx Solutions are working hard to build a comprehensive video resource library of webinars. And we encourage you to watch our videos as many times as you'd like. Pause, take breaks, take notes, and absorb them all at your own pace. If you're unfamiliar with digital signage, you can watch our previous webinars, shown here. If you haven't yet viewed our first webinar on setting up FTx digital signage and scheduling designs for display, you can find the recording on goftx.com/webinars. That was the first real introduction to the program, where we went over some of the most basic settings. Be sure to also check out the last digital signage webinar we did, where we went over what day parting is, who can benefit from it, how you can best utilize it, and how the FTx digital signage daypart feature works. Let's dive right in. The time of all those cardboard cutouts that collect dust and look stale is over. Digital signage for the liquor store industry will revolutionize how liquor stores can market to their customers. With digital signage, you can quickly swap out sale items whenever you want with the click of a button. No more getting out the ladders to take down an old promo. Offering creative solutions that are easily manageable, you can update liquor stores to join other industries in the modern age. So where can digital signage help, and where is it applicable in the liquor store industry? To better communicate with customers, announce upcoming promos and new products, to display and market sales items, to help customers navigate through your store, to provide customers with product information, to display reviews on products and store testimonials, and so much more. Our digital signage software is easily adaptable to all industries. We made it simple and easy to use so you can focus on your business. Work with our creative experts to create custom content that will help customize your digital signage for your industry. Digital signage for liquor stores is a dependable, highly effective method of advertising sales, showcasing new items, weekly specials, tasting events, and more. You can install digital signage for liquor stores around your store and aisle entrances, your cash register area, and other areas that your customers may congregate. By installing digital signage in high-traffic areas of your store, you will be able to send targeted advertisements to those screens. This will make it easier for you to promote new sales while bringing awareness to specials and new products. Use the daypart feature to target the different types of customers that come in throughout the day. Because liquor store digital signage is digital, you'll never have to spend money on printed signage again, and will be able to remotely update your in-store advertisements at any time from anywhere. FTx digital signage is an effective way to engage your in-store customers. With our system, you can prominently show promoted products, events, custom videos, and sales pricing. You can assign multiple lists and schedule out ads to run and expire on any given date. You can also display on a single screen or multiple screens throughout the store. The best part? It's all managed through a back-end web console and works in conjunction with all other FTx products. It's a win-win! FTx Digital Signage gives you a new way to sell and promote products in your liquor store or beer distributor. It's the best way to in-store advertise and interact with your customers because you can add a series of scrolling text, graphics and images, videos, and other media to your in-store displays. Because the software for FTx Digital Signage is web-based, you can easily upload your ads and edit pricing from any computer, tablet, or phone at any time. You'll be able to send the updates to one screen at a time, groups of screens, or multiple stores, all with one click. This flexibility eliminates the need for printed signage, saves you time and money, and makes it easier for you to get the right message in front of the right customers at the right time. FTx Digital Signage is easy to use with user-friendly drag-and-drop features, day parting, and an easily accessible online platform to make any changes. All you need to advertise in your store is at your fingertips. Let me show you how. Now that we've covered how FTx Digital Signage revolutionizes the way the liquor industry can advertise and interact with its customers, let's go over how easy it is to set up your FTx Digital Signage and how to get your first ads rolling on in-store displays. To begin, let's go over what the FTx Digital Signage Kit looks like. Here is our branded box. Inside, you will find the FTx Media Player, a power cord, an HDMI cord, and an instruction manual. Each of these is key to getting your digital signage up and running smoothly. Let's talk Media Player. The FTx Media Player is an external Android media player that plugs into the back of your TV using an HDMI port. They require their own power source, and while you're free to use your own TV, each TV will require its own media player. Think of the media player as a tiny computer that runs your digital signage program. Each media player comes with the FTx Ad Player app installed already. This program will check for updates made to your digital signage displays and control center, and pulls new content based on the available information. Let's show you how to set up your digital signage box. First, you'll want to make sure that the TV you will be using is off, and that the Wi-Fi network you'll be connecting to is on. The media player requires an internet connection. Once you've plugged in the media player to your TV using the HDMI cord, and you have connected it to a power outlet, you can turn it on using this button. Next, turn on your TV. Remember which HDMI port you plugged the media player into, because this is where you'll need to go next. You will need to select the FTx Ad Player app and continue through the activation process before you can start syncing with digital designs. Once you have activated the device and are connected to the internet, you can start adding designs to rotate on display. These can be for store promotions, new product announcements, manufacturer ads, updated store information, and so much more. With FTx Digital Signage, you're in the driver's seat. It's super easy to set up your FTx Media Player and activate the FTx Ad Player app. But did you know with the FTx Ad Pro software, it can be just as easy to create engaging digital displays? With FTx Ad Pro, you can choose from thousands of already made templates for every industry and make them into your own branded designs. These templates are already sized to match the resolution and size of your TV. You can even automatically create a landscape design from a portrait design and vice versa using our orientation tools. Once you have a good selection of designs to choose from, you can start adding these designs to show on your digital signage TV or TVs. You can do so by going to Digital Signage in the Control Center. This will allow you to either upload your own images or choose images from AdPro to be displayed on your media players. First, you would choose your display, or create a new display if you're just setting up your digital signage. Next, you would edit the content for the display and choose the layout of the screen. For example, you could have two images on the screen at the same time using a split screen. After choosing a layout, you would choose the design you want to show. Using Day Part, you can rotate your designs to show at different times of the day. If you offer wine tastings, you can easily switch out the type of wine that's available for tasting throughout the day, without having to perform any manual work. Simply set the schedule ahead of time and let your menu run automatically at the click of a button. Once you create displays and set them to show on your in-store ad player, you can sit back and relax as your digital signage promotions run by themselves. Now that's easy. To learn more about the digital signage platform, you can watch our previous webinars where we went over some of the most basic settings of digital signage. To close, I'd like to go over the benefits of digital signage. In an increasingly tech-driven society, in-store digital advertising captures consumer attention, driving sales with promotions and product education. Dynamic graphics and animation draw customers' eyes. Rotating digital advertisements allow multiple promotions to hit a single consumer at the optimum time to launch impulse buys. Take control of your promotions and increase your sales with FTx digital signage. Use FTx digital signs and menus to promote slow-moving products and create awareness for new ones, all while simultaneously building store loyalty. Take advantage of sales trends by deploying ads immediately, eliminating costly print times. Broadcast digital ad content across multiple retail outlets quickly from anywhere using the FTx Control Center. You can even schedule your ads days, weeks, months, or even years in advance, so you never miss a promotion. FTx Solutions digital signage includes a full suite of tools that will simplify your in-store marketing. FTx digital signage syncs with the FTx Solutions point-of-sale system to update pricing on your digital menus and signs automatically when you use the products feature. POS customer-facing displays educate consumers on promotions, enticing them to make impulse purchases right at the register. Well, that's all I intended to cover today. I hope you've learned some new things, and I hope it helps you better understand how digital signage can be used in the liquor industry. If you have any questions about how to best utilize digital signage, you can always email us at info@goftx.com. As a reminder, these FTx webinars are weekly events and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can view all upcoming webinars by heading over to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTx Lifeline at the top of the page. Then, scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. This will load all of our previous webinars where you can watch the recordings, as well as upcoming webinars with options to sign up. I hope everyone has a great weekend and week ahead, and I hope you join us next week. Thanks for watching!